Good morning, students. Let's begin our science class. In today's class, I will explain you about the topic electroplating. So first of all, I will tell you how you will define the term electroplating. So electroplating is the process of depositing a thin layer of one metal over another metal with the help of electric current or by the passage of electric current. I hope once you have understood what is electroplating. So electroplating is the process of depositing a thin layer of one metal over the surface of another metal by the help of electric current or by the passage of electric current. So this is how you will define or explain the process of electroplating. After this, I will explain you what are the advantages of electroplating. So first advantage of electroplating is that it helps in protecting the metal from corrosion. Second advantage of doing the electroplating is to impart shiny appearance or to make the things very attractive or shiny. Third important advantage of electroplating is to improve the surface property of a metal. So these are the three advantages of the process of electroplating. First, I have told you that is the process of first advantage of electroplating is that it helps in protecting the metal from corrosion. Second, it imparts shiny appearance to the metal. And third, it helps in improving the surface property of a metal. Now I will explain you the application. What is the use or application of the process of electroplating in our day-to-day life? First is, for example, we can do the chromium plating on the various things which we use in our washrooms to make it look more attractive and good. That is the bath taps, bicycle handlebars and towel rails. They are electroplated with chromium metal to make them look more bright and attractive in appearance. Next important application or use of electroplating is that is the jewelries made from less expensive metal. They are electroplated with expensive metals like gold and silver to make them more shiny and attractive in appearance. Third application of electroplating where we can use the process of electroplating, that is in the cutlery items, that is the various utensils or the various things in which we eat food. They are electroplated with gold or silver metal to give them exquisite look of expensive metal. Next application of electroplating is that is the iron which is used for making the bridges and automobiles is coated with zinc metal by the process of electroplating to protect it from rusting. And the last application of electroplating is that is the cans which are used for storing the food are made by coating a layer of tin on iron metal to protect it from rusting and thereby protecting the edible item which is stored in it or packed in it from spoilage. So this is the application of electroplating in our day-to-day life. Now students, I will explain you how the electroplating of any material can be done by the passage of electric current. This is the diagram, if you can see. This is how you will make the arrangement of the various things in order to perform the activity of electroplating. So before starting the process of electroplating, what we have to do? That is, we have to collect certain materials which we will use in the electroplating process. That is, first we will take one thin sheet of pure copper metal, and we will take the material on which we want to do the electroplating. For example, here with the help of this activity, I am explaining you how we can do the electroplating of copper metal on the iron spoon. Now, so what we will do, how we will start? Now let us understand the electroplating of copper on iron spoon. In this process of electroplating, the object which is to be electroplated, for example, that is the iron spoon in this case, is made the cathode, that is the negative electrode, and a thin sheet of pure copper is made the anode, which is called as the positive electrode. After this, we will take the electrolytic solution that will be of the metal which we want to do the electroplating. So here the metal which we are using for electroplating the iron spoon is copper. Therefore, we will take the acidified solution of copper sulfate as an electrolyte. If you remember, electrolyte is what? It is the liquid which help in conducting the electric current through them. And this electrolytic solution is taken in a glass container that is called as beaker. Now we will connect the pure copper plate, which is we have taken as anode, with a connecting wire, and we will also connect one connecting wire with the iron spoon. And after this, we will connect both the ends of the wire, one which is coming from the anode to the positive terminal of the battery, and the wire which is coming from the cathode, that is, which is connected to the iron spoon, that will be connected to the negative terminal of the battery. And with the help of this battery, we will be supplying the electric current into the electrolytic solution, which is of acidified copper sulfate. As a result of the passing of the electric current, what will happen here? That is, the copper from the copper sulfate will get deposited on the surface of the iron spoon, and that iron spoon will form a reddish layer of copper metal all over its surface. So this is how we can say that now we can say that the iron spoon has been electroplated with copper. So this is, student, this is the whole procedure by means of which the process of electroplating is conducted, and by the help of which we can do the coating of cheap expensive materials over the surface of the cheaper metals or less expensive metals to make them look more attractive, more shiny, lustrous, and also protect them from the corrosion. I hope you have understood this process of electroplating. Now your homework for today is that you will draw the label diagram which is there in the video in your CW and HW copy under the heading Electroplating of Copper on an Iron Spoon. Thank you and have a nice day.